Hi class, welcome to today's math lesson. Before we get started, as you may have noticed, I did not record a reading lesson. I am only going to record the interactive read-alouds during the week. I think that Wonders does a pretty good job with their games and activities with the letters. And then we have lots of sight word practice on Seesaw, so just make sure you go on Wonders every day, do those activities, and then do your workbook and Seesaws. All right, in math today, we're on page 455, problem solving. Today we're making a table to show numbers 11 through 19 in another way. So on this page, we've got some bears. Let's see, they say what numbers make 15. So you can see that there are two different color bears. We have red and yellow. Let's count how many bears. Say the number, then count the red and count the yellow. Count all of them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 altogether. Now, how did they make 15 with red and yellow? First, count the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to go down to our table and trace the 10. Then, you guessed it, we're going to go count the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trace the 5 in the table. How did they make 15 with red and yellow? With 10 red bears and 5 yellow bears. Whoa, sorry. 10 red, 5 yellow makes 15. Let's flip our page. Now we want to see what numbers make 14. We have blue and green squares. Let's count the tiles all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now let's see how many blue tiles made 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 again. 10 blue. So how many green did they use? 1, 2, 3, and 4. They made the number 14 with 10 and 4. All right, the last problem we'll do together. And if you need to pause, I see that I'm going kind of fast through our problems. Just pause after a problem if you haven't caught up. On page 457, let's see what numbers make 12. Again, you can double check, count all of those game pieces. And then let's see how many are purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 purple. Now how many orange? 1, 2. 2 orange. They made the number 12 using 10 and 2. All right, guys, you're going to finish up this lesson on the back. You've got some shapes to count to make the number 13. If you have any questions, please reach out. We've done this with smaller numbers, but again, we're going into our teen numbers, so they might be a little trickier, but I know you can do it. All right, good luck, guys.